So this little video, we're going to walk through and show you the basic use, how to use a Smart Temp Inspire zone control system. This one's got 2 zones on it, but this will just show you how to turn it on, change mode, continuous fan, those sorts of things. So I'm just going to show you how to go about controlling the Smart Temp Inspire touch panel with 2 zones this one has. So we go into mode. This is where you can select your heating, cooling or auto. If you do heating or cooling only, when you go to the zone, it will only allow you to turn on, adjust that one. See how this is now switched off. But if you selected auto on the mode option here, then you're going to be able to set a heating and cooling set point. The system will then bounce between those set points to maintain that temperature. Also, something to be mindful of as well, the auto fan and continuous fan. When you see on this page here, if we set it to continuous fan, whenever the system is on, i.e. cooling or heating, the fan will continue to run non-stop. So if you don't want the fan to stay on all the time, you then select the fan to auto to make sure that it cycles with the heating and cooling request. So then you go into our zone page. So this is where we go in. So this example, we go upstairs and downstairs. We can show the temperature. That temperature for the upstairs is working off this first zone thermostat touch panel, and then the downstairs one is actually working off a little remote wall sensor. So we go into the zone. So for example, upstairs, if you want it on, you tap it to on, and then you dial in the temperature set point you want that zone to be, and then you'll need to ensure that you put an override on here, because quite often you'll find that it will sure. So if you put your set point on, then you need to put an override setting onto it so that it ensures that it runs for that period of time before then it will revert back to its default set point. So for example, over here, we go cooling, we're going to set that. So this is set to run to 12:48 AM, so that's been set for like 12 hours. That's how if you don't want a zone on, you just tap on the top here and turn the zone off. That closes that zone mode up. Turn it back on, you tap on it again, and then obviously it's in the override zone at the moment, so we'll stay with that 21 set point, and then we'll open that zone back up again. Alright, so that's the basic operations on the Smart Temp Inspire. Another tip too, when doing your Wi-Fi settings, you must make sure that you set the time and date correctly before you go into here, and then go in and set up your Wi-Fi. Once it's on the network and it's connected to the web, you will get a green tick here. That's when it means that the system is now good to be able to then sync with the app, the Smart Temp app. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to put a comment below or tap on the link. If you want to stay up to date with the latest information that we're providing and doing the videos on, push on the bell so that you can actually get the notification from us every time we upload a new video, because it might be just what you're looking for to make your system a little more efficient or help your clients to have a better outcome with their system. If you're facing some challenges yourself with your system, or you need some support, wiring diagrams, parts, more information or tips on how to get the most from your system, please feel free to go across to our website or our social media channels, and we're happy to talk to you and help you with your situation. The more that you follow, the more content you'll be able to absorb, and we'll be able to help you with your situation. Look forward to helping you soon, and have a great day.